The iBalance has a lot of advantages. Number one, it's a gap balancing system. So you make your tibial cut, and then you're never really chasing your tail, because from there on, you can bounce your flexion extension gaps independently. The accuracy is almost 100%. Whether you're using a lateral fixed bearing uni, you don't have to change it as opposed to a mobile bearing. With this system, it can cover the breadth of all patients, and it increases accuracy, it increases efficiency. I've never had a patient where I've had to go back, revise. I've never had a failure in several years. The clinical outcomes have been phenomenal. Teaching and education, abundant, limitless resources, cadaver labs, everything that you need. Medical education at Arthrex is second to none. It could take someone who does only a few partial knee replacements a year to doing, like me, 15%, maybe up to 20% of their knee replacements as partial knees.